Dear students, as you know, this is the computer class. So today I am going to start chapter 3. It is enhancing a presentation. This is the first part of chapter 3. Today in this video we will cover these topics: Microsoft PowerPoint, applying animation effects and applying transition effects. So before starting the chapter, it should be clear what is a Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a software in which you can design the presentation. What is a presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides. By using presentation, you can present your views, ideas. PowerPoint provides us various tools and effects through which we can give a special effect to our presentation. Now in this chapter, we will see how can we apply various types of effects on our presentation. As we can see in the image, there are two types of effect: animation effects and transition effects. Now first we will discuss animation effects. The ability to move objects like text, graphics, charts, logos, tables, etc. on the slide is called animation. It is also used to control the sequence of the flow of information and helps in making information more impressive. So animation effect means that you can give on the object. Next is the transition effect. Transition effects appears when one slide changes to other during the slideshow view. So this is the difference between animation effect or transition effect. Animation effect is used to move the objects, or transition effects is applied on slides. This is the difference between animation and transition effects. Now we will see in the next video how can we apply animation effect and transition effects on our presentation. Now let's start. First, open Microsoft Office. How can you open Microsoft Office? First click on Start button, then select All Programs. After clicking on All Program, find out where is Microsoft Office. Here it is. Click on it, then select Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Open this. At the center you can see it is a slide. Number of slides you can add. Simply right click on it and then new slide. Select new slide. Like this you can add more slides in a presentation. Now I am opening an existing file. Simply click on Office button and then click on Open. These are recent two documents that is opened. I have selected this file. This file is already created here. Now I will show you how can you apply animation effects. Select the text or object on which you want to apply animation effects. I have selected here Scottish International School. Then click on Animation tab. As you can see here, it is Animation tab. Click on it, Animation tab, and then click on Custom Animation. I have opened Custom Animation. Now you can see here there is a button Add Effect, and now you will click on the drop down arrow. It is drop down arrow. Click on it. There are four options: entrance, emphasize, exit and motion path. As it is clear by name also, entrance effect means it will decide the manner in which an object enters into a slide. Next is emphasize. Emphasize effect makes an object shrink or grow in size. You can change color. You can spin the object. You can change font like this. These type of operations you can perform in the emphasize effect. Next is exit, in which you can in which the object exits from the slide during the slideshow. Like I want to apply disappear. Select it. Like this you can apply effects. Next is motion path. Motion path is used to make an object move up, down, left, right, up, or you can draw your own custom path in the form of line, curve, freedom, scribble. You can draw your own path on which you want to move the object. Now we will apply the effect. First I have selected this object. Now I am applying add effect, entrance. I am applying it to like strips. Clear? Now I am selecting this and I will apply on this emphasize effect. Emphasize and then grow and shrink like this. Next I am selecting this object. Now exit and then anyone you can choose, whatever you want to choose. I have selected vases. Preview you can see from here. I have selected here auto preview, that's why you can see automatically preview of the image. Next is part 1. I am applying on it motion path, okay. Like left. I am applying one more effect on this motion path and up. Now we will check all effects. Click on play. First effect, select it and then play. First, second, this is third, plate. Like this you can apply animation effects. Now you can perform more option. If you want to change the speed, you can change from here. Very slow, slow, medium, fast, very fast. You can change from here. I have selected slow. It is slow. Now very fast. Like this you can change the speed also. Next is if you want to see the animation effect with the previous one, you can select start with previous. It means जब आप पहले वाले एनिमेशन को प्ले करोगे उसी के साथ में सेकंड भी प्ले हो जाएगा. और अगर आप चाहते हो कि फर्स्ट वाला कंप्लीट होने के बाद में नेक्स्ट एनिमेशन आए, सो यू कैन सेलेक्ट स्टार्ट आफ्टर प्रीवियस. Similarly, I select it and then click on it. Then you can change timing also. Timing, I want to repeat it 5 times. Select 5 and then OK. Wedges effect 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same effect is repeated 5 times. Now if you want to change the order of these animation effects, you can change from reorder button. Look here, I am changing 7. Now look, it is shifted. Like this you can change the order of it. So animation effect is applied on the text or objects. Next is the transition effect. How can you add transition effects? Transition effects is applied on slide. It means when one slide changes to other during the slideshow, you can see the transition effects. Here there are some transition effects, like you can select any one. I have selected this. Like this you can apply desired effect. These are the transition effects. If you want to apply these transition effects on the old slide, you can click on apply to all. Similarly, you can change the speed. Okay, if you want to add sound, you can add sound from here. Can you listen? Like this you can add the sound also. Now next is advanced slide. In the advanced slide there are two options, on mouse click or automatically after. It means on mouse click, when you will click by mouse, slide will change into another slide like slideshow, and then click on from beginning. Now I am pressing enter key or clicking mouse. You can either press mouse button or click key. So I am pressing mouse button. It is changed now. Like this you can apply transition effect on a slide. Click on it, and if you want to apply time, you can apply automatically after. Now you can set the time, like I have set after 5 seconds slide will change. Slideshow, it is automatically changing now. I am not clicking any button. It is automatically changing now. Like this you can apply transition effect. Preview you can see from here. Click on the preview button. Okay. Now in this video I have explained apply animation effects and adding transition effects. Animation effect means applied on object or text, or transition effect means applied on slideshow. Now close it, and if you want to save, press yes. If you don't want to save, no. Like this you can apply effects. It's enough for today. Thank you, students.